Hi all, this is Mega Shungi. Student all, let's start the next topic of that application of trigonometry. That is exercise problems. Up to 6 examples I done in the last class. 7th problem is easy, so you can go through it. Then exercise 12.1, based on that only. First one, a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. So one circus artist is there. So he is climbing a 20-meter long rope. So this is rope. Then and tied from the top of a vertical pole. Here one pole is there. Pole is there which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground, and that angle is given if the angle made by the this is rope with the ground level. This is ground level, so this will be A, B, this is a right angle, C, this is 30. So what I have to find the height of the pole, so we have to find AB. So ABC is there. So this is the rope and this is the height of the pole and this is the ground level. So from the foot of the this one ground, this is pole to the this one rope. So it is tied here, so from the C point on the ground. So we want this side. So we want height of this one. So for finding this one, we see the angle and what is the trigonometric ratio. So it is opposite. We don't have this value. So opposite. One known value to take. So which is that here 30 is there. This is unknown value and this is known value of the given 20 meter long. 20 meter long. This they given as 20 meter because this rope they given 20 meter long and this is the BC, it is adjacent, so opposite by hypotenuse. So you can find sine 30 opposite by hypotenuse. So AB by AC. We know sine 30 is 1 by 2 and AB is, we don't know, AB as keep as it is, AC is 20 meter. So AB will be 20 by 2. So the height of the vertical pole is 10 meter. So this is vertical height of the pole is 10 meter. How means I taken the denotation of sine 30 because opposite by hypotenuse. You don't know this known value and this is known value. So we have to take as one known value and unknown value which we have to find. So AB is equal to 20 by 2 is equal to 10 meter. That's the second one. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. So if you take one tree, so due to storm a tree breaks. So and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree. So if it is breaks means here, if from here it bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground. So this is ground level. So if it touches ground level, making an angle 30 degree. So here is 30 degree. The distance between the foot of the tree, this is foot of the tree, and the distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground. This one is 8 meter. So if you take this one, B, A, and C. So we have to find the height of the tree. Find the height of the tree. So for this one, this is distance between the foot of the tree to the broken part is bending that ground level. So this will be 8 meter. This is we know. So we want this one and this one because broken part is from here to there. So if I take this one as H, so this is also be H because height of the tree. So it has broken part and bend it to ground level. ಅದು ಈಗ ಬಿದ್ದು ಇಷ್ಟು height ಇದೆ. So this height and this height we have to find the total height of the tree. So for that one I will use 30 is there. So we want this one. So BC is equal to BC is equal to BC we want, no? So here 30 is there. So opposite by adjacent. So opposite by adjacent, which will get tan 30. Tan 30. So tan 30 means opposite is BC divided by AB. So this will be tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Wait, right here. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. This is equal to BC is there. BC as it is. AB we know that is 8. So BC is equal to 8 root 3 we got. This is from the broken part to the downside down of the level. Then we want this one. So AC. So for AC, opposite by hypotenuse, we got this one value. So opposite means opposite by hypotenuse. So sin 30 that will be BC by AC. That is equal to BC is, we find out this one value as 8 root 3 divided by AC. We don't know unknown value. So AC is equal to sin 30 value is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. So sin 30 into AC. Sin 30 into AC is AC into 1 by 2 is 8 root 3. So it will become AC is equal to, this will go this side, so 16 root 3. So we have to find the height of the tree. So this one and this one. This is how much we got? 8 root 3. 8 root 3. Then BC plus AC is equal to 8 root 3 plus 16 root 3. So it will be 24 root 3 meter. So the height of the tree is 24 root 3 meter. Like that. Okay, wait. This is 8 by 3. Okay. 8 by. This means this will go upside. So 8 by root 3. This is also AC is there. AC it will go this way. So AC into 1 by 2 is equal to 8 root 3. Say 16 root 3. 16 divided by root 3. BC is 8 by root 3. So this root 3 will come downside. So half into this is 16 by root 3. AC is equal to 16 by root 3. So 16 by root 3 plus 8 by root 3. 8 by root 3. So I didn't into sign, but it is a downside is there. The denominator is there. So 8 by root 3 plus 16 by root 3. So it will be 24 divided by root 3 meter. So this is the height of the tree. Then third one. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. So 2 slides contract plans. So for the children below the age of 5 years. So below age of 5 years. 5 years below age. Below. And 5 years above. So that they given. She prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter. So height is 1.5 meter, and it is inclined at an angle of 32 degree to the ground. Ground means we have to take this one. This is ground, so 30 degree. Then, whereas for elder children means 5 years more. So for that one, she wants to steep slide. So that height of 3 meter, 3 meter. This is 3 meter. Then I incline at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. 60 degree to the ground. So we'll take this one as A, B, C. This is P, P, Q, R. This is right angle. This is right angle. So the given, she wants to have a steep at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? So for this one, what will be the length of the slide? This one AC, and what is the length of the PR? So separately we have to find. So first one, so we want AC this slide. So ABC this is this slide. It is height of at a top of 1.5. So you have to find out AC. AC is equal to, so which we want AC. So opposite by hypotenuse. We know this value and this one unknown value. So opposite by hypotenuse. So you can take opposite by hypotenuse is sine. So sine 30 is equal to AB by AC. AB by opposite by hypotenuse. AB by AC. So AC is equal to AB into AB by sine 30. AB by sine 30. This will be, AB is 1.5, and this is a 1 by sine 30 value is 1 by 2. So 2 will go upside. So 3 by 1 is equal to 3 meter. So for the first one, 5 years below, they are taken the top of 1.5 meter. So you have to find the slide. So slide this AC is, we can find this value when we know this value because opposite by hypotenuse. So AB by AC, that is AB by AC is equal to sine 30. Sine 30 value is 1 by 2, and AC I have to find. AC is equal to AB by sine 30. So AB is 1.5, 1 by 2. You will get the 1.5 into 2 is 3. 3 by 1 is 3. So 3 will have, like that same 5 years above for the steep height of 3 meters. So for that one, PQ by PR is equal to sine 60. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2 is equal to PQ. PQ you know that 3 divided by PR. Keep as it is PR. So this one 2 into 3 is 6. 6 by root 3. So 6 by root 3 meter. If they give you this one value, like one in the previous problem, problems they given in the example problems, root 3 as 1.73. So if they give value, you can further divide. If not, keep it as it only. That is also same answer. The next one. Next one is, that is fourth one. They given the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. This is same as problem number 5. So example number, first one is based on example 1 which I taught in the previous class. So it is same, that was you have to take the tower and which is some part distance, and they given which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. So here if you take tower and from the foot of the tower to the angle of elevation you take, the angle of elevation. Same as example one only. If you try that one. Then next, fifth one. Fifth one. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meters above the ground. The string attached to kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degrees. Find the length of the string assuming that there is no slack in the string. So first they given height of the 60 meter above the ground. So this is ground means this is height is 60 meter. This one 60 meter. So 60 meter, kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the C on the ground. This is point. So on that I will take C, then tie to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground. So for the ground it is angle 60 degree. So you have to find the length of the string. So length of the string. This is ABC. So you have to find the length of the AC. So for this one, so we have to find the length of the string. So that is AC. So we don't know this one. So this value they given. This value they given 60 meter. You don't know this value. If you see the angle opposite is there. So opposite, and this is unknown. So opposite by hypotenuse. That is also coming in sin 60. So sin 60 is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. That is AB by AC. So sin 60 is root 3 by 2. That equal to AB. AB is 60 meter divided by AC. So AC is equal to 2 into 60 divided by root 3. This will go this side and AC this side, root 3 this side. So 120 by root 3. So you will get the length of this string is 120 by root 3. So you get the 120 by root 3. So this was based on the kite. So kite they given. Kite is flying at a height of 60 meter. This is 60 meter. So height this one 60 meter, and we have to find the length of the string. And also they given there is no slack in the string. So like that they given ground level angle 60 degree, and the string is attached to the kite is 60 meter above. So 60 meter. So you have to find this one value. So the angle opposite is this one opposite. Then also hypotenuse. So opposite by hypotenuse you will get that sine. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So 60 by AC. AC is equal to 2 into 60, that is 120. 120 by root 3 is AC is equal to 120 by root 3. Then next one. Sixth one. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. So they given a 1.1 meter tall boy. So this is tall boy. If you take this on ground level, so 1.5 meter tall boy. Here he is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. So if you take this one as building, this is 30 meter. Total is 30 meter. I will take that one as AB, A, B. This one is 30 meter. Then the angle of elevation from his eyes to the. So here he is standing. So here from here eyes to the standing to the top of the building. So this is the building. So top of the building is this one. It will be given as increase from 30 to 60. So 30 to 60. If you take this one as 30, so you will move some distance here. So I will take this one as E. This is AB. So A, B, C, D, E, F. So they told find the distance you are towards the building. So from here it is 60. Because they told no, as we move towards the building, the length of the angle of that is increased by 30 degree to 60 degree. So here I will take one point. So it is from 60 degree and this one is from 30 degree. So we have to find out this. So what is the distance he moved here? A, B, C, D, E, F, F, G, E, F, G. So A, B, C, D, F, G. So DC is equal to CB. So parallel there. So you have to find this one value CF. The CF is unknown value. You have to find out this one X. So we have to use the we should get the this value DC, and also we want the value of DE or CF. CF is parallel to DE. So DE I have to find out. So for that one, first you take this one ADZ, triangle ADZ, triangle ADZ, ADZ. So 30 is there. So tan 30 you take. If you take tan 30, opposite by adjacent. So this will be AG divided by opposite divided by adjacent. This is DZ. So triangle ADZ. So it is opposite by adjacent means it is tan. So tan 30. Tan 30. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to AC. If you see the properly, he is standing in the distance of from the distance of 30 meters already. It is from here only distance is from here to here. Then his height is 1.5. So this is 1.5 height. This is whole is 30. So if it is 1.5, this will be 28.5. So easy will be 28.5 because tall building of the height is 30 and 1.5 meter is standing. So if you take 1.5 plus 28.5 is 30 meter. So it will be 28.5. So 28.5 AC is equal to 28.5 divided by DZ. So DZ will be 28.5 into root 3. 28.5 into root 3. Then we got this value dz. So we got this value, but we want de. So for that one, you have to find this easy value. So if you take AEZ, triangle AEZ, you know this value. So you can find easy value. So AEZ is 60. So opposite by adjacent. Again it is opposite adjacent means tan only. Tan 60 is equal to AZ by EZ. I am telling this one. AEZ triangle. It is ADZ triangle. ADZ and AEZ. That is 30 and 60 degree. So tan 60 is root 3. That is equal to AZ. AZ we know that 28.5 divided by EZ. So EZ is equal to EZ is equal to 28.5 divided by 10 30 opposite by adjacent. Okay, 28.5 divided by root 3. So easy we got 28.5 divided by, easy will go this side, this will come down. So 28.5 divided by 3 root 3. Then we have to find out dE. So dE is equal to, we know d, if your d means whole is dz minus ez. So we find out the dz value, that is 28.5 root 3, 28.5 into root 3, that minus ez is 28.5 divided by root 3. So it will be, LCM will be this one also, this also. So if you take root 3 value, so 28.5 into root 3 into root 3 minus 28.5 divided by root 3, because LCM is root 3. So 28.5 divided by root 3. So 28.5 into 3 minus 28.5 divided by root 3. So this will be 28.5 common. So this will be 3 minus 1. So 28.5, 3 minus 2, 28.5. So 3 minus 1. So it will be 2 into 28.5 divided by root 3. So first see, for the first step, we have to take this one as, this is 30 degree and this one is 60 degree. So he has moved, this is the 30 meter tall building from the distance of this one. So if he was the 1.5 meter tall, so after that he moved from here to here. So in the angle increase from 30 to 60. So 30 degree, 60 degree. Then we have to find the length of that movement of the distance from the person to the that building. So for this one we don't know dz value. So for dz value I take ADC as triangle ADC, in that opposite by adjacent. So it is tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to 28.5. This is how means, because this is 1.5, this is 28.5 means 30. Because whole building height is 30 and his height is 1.5. So 1.5 if you minus this one, you will get 28.5. So 28.5 by dz. So dz is equal to 28.5 divided by root 3. 28.5 divided by root 3. dz is equal to 28.5 into root 3. Then in triangle AEC, we got this this one. We want this one, so we have to find this one. So separate triangle AEC. So triangle AEC, this is the right angle triangle. So tan 60 we can take, because opposite by adjacent. Then AZ by EZ. So root 3. Tan 60 is root 3. Then AZ is they given 28.5 divided by EZ. EZ is equal to 28.5 divided by root 3. So further step, d we have to find. So d is equal to dz minus ez. dz is, we got 28.5 into root 3, then 25.5 divided by root 3. So here anything means 1 only. So let's say what is root 3. So 20.5 into root 3, already root 3 is there. So 1 more root 3 into root 3 minus, here root 3 is there. So into 1, 28.5 divided by root 3. So 28.5 root 3 into root 3 will be 3 minus 28.5. So 28.5 I have taken common. 3 minus 1, so it is 2. 2 into 28.5 divided by root 3. This is the answer. Then seventh one. So seventh one. From a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building or 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. So the given seventh problem. From a point on the ground. So if you take on point on the ground, that on C, then the angles of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower. So transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building. So if you take this one as 20-meter high building, 20 meter, this is building, that is B and D. On this top there is a transmission tower. So this is tower. So here we mention as A. Then or 45 degree. So this is 45 degree. 45 and this is 60 degree. This is 45 and this angle is 60 degree. So the given top of the tower to the ground level it is 60 degree, and at the bottom the bottom of the angle of elevation at the bottom is 45 degree. So BCD and ACD. So they told you to find the height of the tower. This is the height of the tower. This is H, height of the tower. This is tower. So this will be tower. AB is tower here. AB is tower. So we have to find the height of the tower. So H is question mark. So for this one, we given two angles elevation, that is 45 degree and 60 degree. So we will take we want this AB value. So for AB value we should know the value of AD and BD. BD we know, so we have to find the angle of AD. So for that one, if you take tan 45, this will be opposite by adjacent. So okay, opposite by adjacent. So BD divided by DC. So tan 45 is 1. So BD by DC. This equals BD is equal to DC. So BD is equal to DC means it is value will become, this value will become 20. This is 20 and this is also 20 because BD is equal to DC by the formula, that is tan 45 is 1. So in terms of, you will get this like tan 45 directly. One more way is, this angle is 90, this is 90 right angle, and this is 45. So if you see the triangle BCD is a right angle triangle. This is 90, this is 45, this is also 45. So two angles are equal means opposite of that angle's sides will be equal. So for this one angle is BD. So for this one angle opposite is DC. So BD is equal to DC. That is equal to, we know that 20 meter. So you have to find out AB. For AB you take this one as whole triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, tan 60 is equal to opposite by adjacent. So opposite is AD divided by adjacent is DC. So tan 60 is root 3. This is AD divided by DC. So AD is there. AD we can write as AB plus BD. So that is H plus 20 divided by DC is 20. This is root 3. So H will be 20 root 3 minus 20. So 20 root 3 minus 1. So for the triangle ACD, we know this triangle and this distance, we want this distance. So I take the whole distance, that is H plus 20. It is H plus 20. Then DC is, we find out that is 20 meters, so 20, and the tan 60 is root 3. So after that calculation you will get the H as the 20 root 3 minus 20. This is 20 into root 3, H plus 20. So H is equal to 20 root 3 minus 20. So 20 into common is 20. So root 3 minus 1 meter. Then next one. Eighth problem, the given. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. So this one, eighth one. A statue height is 1.6 meter. So 1.6 meter. This is the height of that statue. So that is refuted, that one as A and D. This is 1.6. Then from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue. This is the top of the statue. So top of the statue angle will be the given that is 60 degree. So this will be 60 degree. So this is the height of the statue, and it is top of on the top of pedestal. Pedestal height is we don't know. So this one is here pedestal. So this is right angle. So D B. This is C. So total from that one top of the statue 60. From this one it will be 60. From pedestal the even. From the pedestal the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal. This is top of the pedestal. So from this one, from here it is this is 45 degree. Yes, 45 degree no. Top of the pedestal to the this one ground is 45 degree, and top of the statue to the ground is 60 degree. So we have to find the height of the pedestal. We want this one. So we want this one x. I'll take this one as x. So we have to find out this one. So in this one, if you take tan 45, so if you take tan 45, this is opposite by adjacent. They given one more value 1.6 in this one, and if they given any of the okay. So as like in the previous problem, this is also 45. This is also 45 is there. So 45 means this will be 45. So BD is equal to DC. So BD is equal to BD by DC. BD by BC. So it will be BD is equal to BC, because tan 45 is 1. Our another method means it is 45 degrees. So 45, 45, 90, and this is 90. So it is isosceles triangle, right angle triangle. So this BD will be BC value. So we got this one as BD is equal to BC. So we have to find out BD. So BD is equal to BC. So for that one, so we know this side. For if you take tan 60, that is tan 60 is equal to AB by AB, because opposite adjacent BC. So this will be AB is 1.6 plus H divided by BC is it is same as this only. BC is equal to BD. So tan 60 is root 3. So this will be X into root 3 equal to 1.6 plus H. So X root 3 okay. X root 3. So if we can, so x root 3 x is there. So if we bring this x this side, so x root 3 minus x is equal to 1.6. So x we take common. So root 3 minus 1 divided is equal to 1.6. So x will be 1.6 divided by root 3 minus 1. So when they given it is in the rational number or irrational number like this root 3, so you have to rationalize the denominator from the making the opposite sign of the denominator. So it will be so this will be root 3 minus 1, so 1.6 root 3 minus 1. So opposite that of rationalizing means we have to rationalize means we have to take the opposite sign of denominator. So root 3 plus 1, this is root 3 plus 1. So 1.6 root 3 plus 1.6 into root 3, then root 3 plus 1. So this will be root 3 plus 1. Then divided by, this is root 3 minus 1, root 3 plus 1. So a minus b, a plus b. So a square minus b square. 3 minus 1. It will be 1.6 root 3 plus 1 divided by 2. This will be 2 8s are 1.62 divided by 2 is 2 8s are 16. But point is there. So we have to take point. So 0.8 root 3 plus 1. This will be 0.8 root 3 plus 1 meter. So how means? First we have to take this one, this is statue. This is statue. This is 1.6 meter. So this height is 1.6, and then pedestal it is on the top of pedestal. So this length we don't know, but from the top of the statue to the ground is 60 degree. So 60 degree. Then top of the pedestal to the ground is 45 degree. If it is 45 degree means this is also 45 because right angle triangle. BCD. So BCD. If you take the triangle BCD, it will be tan 45 is equal to BD is equal to BC. So BD is equal to BC. Then tan 60. Tan 60 is this one whole ACB. So ABC is right angle triangle. So ACB is 60 degrees. So tan 60 opposite by adjacent. So 1.6 plus x divided by this one. This is same. So it will be same only x only. This will become x. So x 1.6 plus x divided by x. It will be x into root 3 is equal to 1.6 plus x. Then x root 3. If you bring this one x this side, it will become minus x is equal to 1.6. Then x into root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. Then x is equal to 1.6 divided by root 3 minus 1. When they come in the irrational come in the denominator, so we have to rationalize it, and it should be written in the form of numerator, that is irrational number. So for that one we have to rationalize the denominator. How means we have to take negative sign of the negative sign of the that present value. So root 3 minus 1 means root 3 plus 1 and root 3 plus 1. It will be 1.6. Root 3 plus 1 is root 3 plus 1. So then 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 divided by this is a minus b, a plus b. So a square minus b square. Root 3 whole square means 3. 1 square means 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. 1.6 divided by 2 means 2 8 is 16, but point is there, so you have to take point. So 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter. So it is the the length of the pedestal is 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter. So these are based on the word problems, but you should understand the technical that are used in the problems, and also go through the problems, more and more problems. You will get that one. Then only you only that trigonometry you have to use, which we for the unknown value. So you have to take one known value, and we know the angle, standard angle they will give, and one known value they will give. So we have to find out the other unknown value, or other than the this 1.6 plus s, the height of the tower or height of the statue. They are different for different problems. So remaining 8 problems are there. So 8 problems are done. So remaining 8 problems I am doing in the next class. Then you have to practice it more, because from this lesson you are getting the approximately 5 marks. So you have to go through what I have taken in the class. So thank you. Please subscribe my channel, and if you like, share it to others. Thank you.